Digital Marketing and Analytics. Welcome to my reflection of my digital project. My project was to create a blog and connect it with Google Analytics, then to establish social media presence to drive traffic to the blog using those networks. Next step was to analyze collected metrics and analytics and use them to identify my successes and shortcomings of running a blog. Based on Gibbs' reflective cycle created in 1988, reflection consists of description as well as feelings and thoughts about the experience, then evaluation. Let's see the marketing Jules journey, where I apply Gibbs' reflective cycle to examine my experience and analyze my strengths and weaknesses to establish an action plan for the future. One of the first steps of the project was to establish a blog. I felt confident and I found it easy to establish marketing Jules design. This was due to my previous experience with working on Blogger, templates and adjusting HTML codes, as well as designing graphics and visuals. However, it was challenging to find what to blog about. I figured that I can easily post about marketing as I study it and I have the research for it. I put myself at an advantage as I posted what I learned as a marketing student. I successfully identified my strengths in this stage, therefore the project started smoothly. I was aware, however, as weeks passed, despite that fact, my posts were too comprehensive and long. Unfortunately, I had a lack of focus on my audience as I was just posting instead of checking audience's engagement. My blog's Google Analytics showed me there was a decline of my audience attention to those broad posts. I found challenging to promote on social media as I had no experience using LinkedIn and Twitter. It was difficult to find connections on LinkedIn and writing snappy Twitter posts. I find the word limit quite tricky. I had a very slow response to my social media when I received low engagement, as I assume it took time to get an audience. However, looking back now, I was not active and had a lack of frequent engagement on my social networks, which resulted in failure of getting a proper audience for my blog. Posting extra posts out of schedule to redirect back to already existing posts and communicating with my audience more frequently may have helped the project. Google Analytics was new to me, therefore I took Google Analytics course through Google Academy just when project commenced. I learned how to connect it to my blog, how to use it and how to navigate through it. This preparation made me feel advantageous when analysing my data and reporting on the results. I could have utilised what I learned in the course and analysed data during the project to understand what I can improve on before project ends. Analysing analytics during the project would have benefited blog success as I would notice the decline of audience interest when I changed to a comprehensive content.